To install the new screen assembly, first remove the upper cowl panel grille to expose the existing screen. Refer to Workshop Manual Section 501-02 for upper cowl panel grille removal instructions. Next, remove the existing screen from the bulkhead. To make the new screen assembly installation procedure easier for you to see, we're also going to remove the lower cowl panel. This is an unnecessary step and is not an authorized procedure for this repair. To begin installation of the new screen assembly, hold it in your hands and position your index fingers at the outside of the horizontal locator tabs. You'll be positioning the screen assembly locator tabs inside the horizontal sides of the bulkhead opening. You won't be able to see the opening while positioning the screen assembly, so your fingers will help to guide you. Using the backs of your fingernails, feel the opening in the sheet metal and position the screen left and right until you feel it's centered in the opening. Next, seat the bottom tabs, pull out your fingers, and gently slide the screen down until the bottom clips show resistance. Then, pivot the top of the screen assembly toward the opening to seat the upper tabs. There will be a click sound to let you know that the screen assembly is locked properly into position. Check that the screen is snug, but don't pull on it, you'll damage the retainer clips. This is the procedure as you'll perform it with the lower cowl panel installed. Finally, reinstall the upper cowl panel grille. For further, more detailed information, please refer to the TSB and Workshop Manual Section 501-02.